So over here you can see that I already have 4 video clips, and what I want to do now is manually arrange 4 of the video clips over here in same screen. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around and drag and drop the video right here. So I'm just going to go around and keep the project settings as it is. And what I can do is as soon as I bring in the video clip, I can resize this out and keep it wherever I want. And you can see that it snaps onto place like that as well. I can go around and do the same with this one right here. So I'm just going to go around right here, keep it on top. And what I can do is I can select this, I can resize this around and keep it wherever I want. So I'm just going to overlap it out like this, as you can see. I'm going to drag in the other video as well, keep it on the top layer, resize this out right here and keep it just like this. And then I'm going to drag this one out over here as well. And then I'm going to resize and keep it right here, just like this. So you can see that there's 4 video right there overlapping each other. So if I were to click on the play button now, what happens is that all of the video clips you can see are playing together, just like that. So that is how the effect actually takes place. So now what you can do is you can do this with any number of videos as long as your computer supports it. And then another thing that I may want to do is add in an effect right there. So I'm just going to go around right here and then add in, let's say, background blur effect right here on the top. So let's just go ahead, and then this is how it looks. You can see that now in the background as well, there's something that actually isn't that's not black. So it makes the effect much more better. So you can just play around, and that is how it seems, as you can see. So you have multiple videos playing around at the same time inside. So that is how you can manually arrange multiple video clips on a single screen inside Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.